hey, little turtle. Goldfish. Probably can't see the goldfish when I'm up close. Oh. Yep, Frosty. Frosty. Yeah, Frosty. Yeah, go Frosty. Yeah, Frosty. Frosty. Yeah. Yeah, you go. Yeah. Oh, Big Ben. Yeah, Big Ben. Yeah, Big Ben is big. Big Ben. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah. Let's go on it video. Comment on it. Comment on the freaking video. You're an idiot. If you don't comment, I'll destroy your sound. You freaking suck if you're not epic. The epic duck is coming. It's gonna destroy the earth if you don't put a comment on this video. My friend David is over there. He doesn't live there. That's where his aunt and uncle live, and he stays there with them. It looks like he's not the real outside world, but it is. It just doesn't look too much like it. Looks like Roblox. No!